Okay, today I'm going to work with steamed tofu, and so these are the ingredients: mushrooms, watercress, tofu, and I'm using the recipe from steamer book included with the purchase of this steamer. But as for the instruction, I'm going to a little bit reverse way. I mean, I'm not going to start with frying pan. I'm going to start with just the steam process and then work with the pan. That's what I'm trying to do. That's my idea. And usually when you have recipes, they like I mean, they are prepared. I mean, what I'm trying to say is they have like sliced vegetables, washed vegetables, and they don't include these instructions. Just say sliced mushrooms. So I'm going to start the process by slicing them with a knife. Oh, I'm dirty. Leaf mushroom. Oh. Well, I've never eaten steamed mushrooms, nor steamed tofu, so that's the first time for me. And this is the first, and it's also the first time when I try this recipe. So I have no idea about the results. I don't know what to expect. I'm not sure if I like tofu. So it was, I would say, it was impulse buying stuff. I decided to go with tofu when I went with tofu. That's it. Okay, so here they say about heating stuff on the frying pan, but I need to start with mushrooms, and they tell you to slice them. I have no idea how much mushroom, how much weight I have here. So let's try this. Why not? Oh, they are wet. Ounces. So they tell you to have like 9 ounces mushrooms. It looks like I have more. Let's stick with the 9 to 10. Okay, that's 10. But I'm going to remove the stems. I mean the ends of the stem. So let's do this. And for these 4 mushrooms, I'm going to place them aside. Let's keep them somewhere. Maybe here. Great place. Okay, so I have 10 ounces of mushroom. Oh, actually I need that one for, what was that? Watercress, right? Oh, it's not a recipe. Well, this is another problem. When I have recipes like on packagings, so I want to try them, so I usually put them aside as well. And this is how it goes, and messy how it happens. Okay, so right now, how much I need? I know it's a little frustrating to just look at the recipe all the time. That's why I like to learn the method. I mean, how to cook by the method, not by the recipes. I'm really not good at memorizing them. I think that's 4 ounces, right? It's hard to tell when you race with the metric system. It's you know, it's not natural to adjust to the different units, right? Okay, let's see here. Okay, so watercress, it's supposed to. Oh, wait. Again, I just need to. Oh, that's good. 4 ounces. Oh, that's 17 water. Okay, let's say that's 4 ounces, almost 3.5, 3.6. So let's say I have 4 ounces of watercress. Perfect. And what I'm going to do right now is just slice tomatoes. Oh, I need another bowl for the scrapes. And I want this stuff. Okay, so the idea here is to put the slices. Where to put the recipe? And this. Wow, that's a lot of. What am I going to do right now? Just suck. Oh. Place it here to peel. Okay, so that's. What I'm trying to do is just make sure this one is, yes, it's closed. It's very important. And I'm going to fill this one. I'm going to fill this one with just filter water. Not good at pronunciation. Oh, that's heavy. Yeah, I should have put this container on the counter. I didn't do this. Where is that? It's here. The lid is here. Place it here. Okay, just one more. I need to get started about the results. Yeah. Take that one here. Oh, it's like a small basket. How to place this slices? Do it like this. Tofu in the middle. What's the idea here? There's no suggestion. Okay. This place. Put mushrooms and tofu onto the tray. Okay. Let me just, like that. What's happening here? So as I mentioned, I'm going to remove this ends of the stems. I just realized I should have started with tofu. Because tofu is more important here, like a protein source, and it's firm, and the shape is different than this. And just place mushroom slices around the tofu. Yeah, I'm a talker. Sorry for that. If you prefer like silent videos, just let me know. Maybe that's your thing. Maybe you only like style of the chopping knife and the board and the vegetables, not a human being. That's okay. I don't hold grudges, so don't worry. Scissors. I think like the tofu, when they cut tofu, it's filled with a little bit of water. So I'm just going to remove it like that. Oh man, what's happening here? Wow, that's a lot. I think it's not the water that tofu juices. So they mentioned to do something like, what was that? Cubes. Okay, so I need 1 inch cubes. I think it's something like that. Let's try about a cube. So one more time. It's like this. A cube, so like that and that. That's like funny. Okay, let's do this. I just want to try this. How does it? Okay. I mean, it looks big. Oh, whatever. Maybe that's a good thing. What's happening here? This is so strange. I mean, they should have included some kind of photos to give you instructions. It's so stupid placing it like that here. I mean, not bad. Maybe it's a good idea to include more coffee in my diet. Oh, by the way, this is like recipe for 4 people, so it's not like for 1 person. I don't know what's happening here. I just place it like that, and that's okay. Okay, I think that's the idea. I mean, they didn't mention the recipe what I'm going to do with the mushroom slices, just they said, or maybe say, by the way, anyway, they just place mushrooms on the tray. So that was the instruction, so I'm just doing that, and I think it's okay, right? You know, you can eat mushrooms raw. I read some recipes about this technique that you don't have to, it's just your choice. Maybe it's more healthy to cook it, but it's edible and not poisonous. It's not poison to eat raw mushrooms, so don't worry about the heart. I prefer to eat if you can eat raw tofu, so I don't know, just my risk. Could this myself. Okay, so the idea here is just place it, oh man. Vegetables, and here 5 minutes. And start. And then after 5 minutes, you need to add watercress, and again 5 minutes. Okay, and then you add this also. Let's back to the stove. Oh, I just realized I didn't heat up. Warm up the pan. Oh, what's happening? My bad. Over medium. What's happening here? Heat the sesame oil, sesame seeds, and garlic. Sesame oil, sesame seeds. Oh, I don't have garlic. Where's garlic? Oh, how many? 2 garlic cloves. Oh, just realized. 3 minutes. Where is it? I know, the chopping board is a little bit dirty. But, looks like this one is like on the last legs. I need to find another one. Oh man, oh, sorry, I need to go to the back and example. Okay, I got myself a new one. Whoa, what was that? That's unexpected. This one too. Oh man. Man, what's happening? Come on. Around there. For a second, I feel like a Prison Break episode. What's happening here? That's a mess. Where is my outfit here? Well, I still got the trick that you can crush. Where is it? Yeah, I'm so clumsy right now. Trying to do very simple tasks. Chop garlic and I cannot do that, even though I've done this like many times. What's this? How is this? Oh man, I need to take another one. It's frustrating. It's not my day to cook, I guess. It's my great day. Okay, let's start here. Oh man. Just remove the outer layer and we're good. Oh man, what's happening right now? So many noises. I couldn't work in a fast food restaurant. What's gonna happen? Probably they will fire me after one day. Just barely doing the simple tasks. Well, I think the idea was to finally chop this. And it's not like... At this point I don't care really. I don't even care about outer layers. Okay, going back to this. Okay, let's do this. Okay, I'm going back to the pan. Stop. So the idea here is, what was that? I need to place sesame oil, sesame seeds, and garlic. Sesame oil, how much? How much? 2 tablespoons. Oh, again. What's the... Oh man, pause. There's many steps at the same time. What's happening? Oh man. 2 tablespoons. What's this? 2 tablespoons of this. 1, 2, and... Whoa. And 1 tablespoon of this. That was 1 tablespoon, and... Yeah, today I'm really clumsy. Before that, I had an accident with the olive oil, so I don't have olive oil right now. And this is for pasta, but let's go with this. Oh. The idea is to just a little bit browning on the garlic. Oh, and right now is it hot? No, it's not. The idea here is to place watercress, remaining watercress, like this probably. It looks so strange. And set the timer for another 5 minutes. Yeah, it's a fast recipe, I guess. I'm just a slow good person. Just, oh, wait, start. So stop, and another one, vegetables. And 5 minutes, 8. 5 minutes and start. Okay. Oh, I forgot to put it back. Okay. Wow, that's very hot. Whoa. Just, whoa. That was scary. Oh man. Oh, my weak heart. Whoa. Oh, not at this age, I mean. Oh, that was scary. And what's next? Remove from the heat and add the soy sauce. How much? Soy sauce, where is it? 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Whoa. Oh man. Oh, it's really... Sesame oil is really hot. Now I understand why do we need to leave it like a shield against the cooking. So what's next? What is it? Red pepper. Okay. So it looks like this is... You need to open this. Oh, I see. You cannot open this. No, not gonna happen. It's not possible to open this. It's always when I need it, I cannot do anything. That's why I don't prefer plastic. No, not gonna happen. I don't have a slice. No, it's not the same. Oh man, again. Oh, that's not my day. It's a clumsy today. Clumsy. Oh, whoa, that's a win. We mentioned the only pinch. It's a lot. Too much. So that was my pinch. This is the... Ow. So my idea here is to remove water from the veggies and just place them here on the pan. You know, and that's it. That's the idea. What else here? So 1 minute to go. So let's start cleaning. Oh, this one is bad. Okay, out. This one is okay. This goes to the sink. This is a trash. This is trash. And this is what? This is trash as well. Let's do this. Sometimes, you know, you have a good day and you can do it. Sometimes you feel it's a bad day, but still decided to cook. No, never do that. Waste of time and potential. Actually, it doesn't make any sense. Waste of potential. No, more like waste of time, I would say. Maybe waste of products. Because sometimes you waste products. But I hope. Okay, stop. And this is on the black from the heat. And what I'm going to do is I need something like this one. Because I don't remember if the lid is hot or not. It's always a mystery for me. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's not. But the basket is always hot. Well, that's... It looks like the water is here, so we're good. So I only grab this one, place it here. Wow, these cubes are really huge. It's like 4 portions. Can you believe that? 4 portions here. I mean, I'm super hungry, so for me it's like 1 portion. Okay, so this is... I feel like these cubes are super big. So what I'm doing right now is just cutting them with my spatula. But, well, they look better before I started cutting them, so maybe it's not a good idea to do it. Right now they look like uneven, you know, and for that it's like on purpose. But this watercress is just so... No, it's not appealing, you know. Just... I'm super curious how it tastes. Oh man. Let's go with the rest of them. By the way, I don't store bread slices like this. Just one-time thing, okay? So don't judge. Don't judge. I can handle that, I hope. Okay, let's try this. 1 slice of mushroom and 1 cube of... What was that? Oh, tofu, right. Tofu, and go to my mouth. Well, quite tasty. I must admit that, but I don't know this taste, so it's more like a acquired taste for me. Because I don't have experience with tofu. That's why I'm saying it's acquired taste. This is hot, yes it is. It's super hot, so... Oh. Let's go with this one. Well, my plan for the near future is to work more on the cleaning stuff. I mean, to keep the clean environment for cooking more organized, because right now it looks like a mess and chaotic. But I feel like I'm cooking that way. So It's like restraining myself. So it doesn't look good. I think I should have placed it in a different, maybe something like this, maybe a smaller one. It looks like empty, you know. Oh, this is like sauce from Pop, I guess. So what I'm doing right now is just... Oh, I have an idea. Oh, missed two. It's messy there. What I'm saying. My idea is to place, like that, bread, but finish with the sesame seeds, like that, you know. Try to make it pretty. This is my attempt to make it pretty. Oh, but the problem is the liquid, so the liquid is messy. Yeah, but this is the final result.